Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring camera step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking the Ring camera from its box. Inside, you'll find the camera, mounting hardware, and user manual. Find a suitable location for your camera. Ensure the location has a clear view of the area you want to monitor. Check to see if there is a power source nearby. If you're using a battery-operated model, make sure it's fully charged. Download the Ring app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Ring app and create an account if you don't have one. Log into your account and tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select camera from the list of available devices. Follow the prompts to scan the QR code on your camera. Once the QR code is scanned, the app will search for your device. When the camera is found, choose your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password and connect the camera to the network. After connecting, choose a location for your camera in the app. Ensure the camera has an indication light confirming it's connected. You can adjust the camera's settings in the app as needed. Test the camera by viewing the live feed from your smartphone. Make any necessary adjustments to the camera angle. Secure the camera in place using the provided mounting hardware. Ensure it's tightly fitted for stability. Finally, monitor your camera regularly through the app to ensure everything is functioning properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.